All right, we're on page number 39 of FJH book number 2, and we have a new concept yet again. It's a natural sign. At the top of the page it says the natural. I don't know how to describe it. You just have to look at it. There's two vertical lines with a little box in between, or like a diamond shape. It cancels out sharps or flats. We only know sharps so far. So let's say in a measure you have an F sharp like we did in Willow, right? If there's a natural sign next to the sharp later in the song or later in the measure, that means cancel the sharp and go back to an F natural or just a regular old F. So it cancels out that sharp. It takes away the sharp, so you go back to the natural form of the note. Okay, so there's a little practice two-measure thing there with B, C, C sharp, and then that fourth note at the top of the page cancels out the sharp, so you go back to C. B, C, C sharp, C natural, and they have you do it twice just to make sure you have it. Let's listen to Mysterious Island. Again, this piece needs no teacher accompaniment or duet stuff because it stands on its own. It's so cool, you don't need the teacher to make a duet out of it. So here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. I almost left the last note off. Sorry, that whole note got me there. It's like kind of hanging out there in outer space all by itself. Okay, so you got to be careful in this one. You got your C sharp, right? String 2 fret 2, and you play those two notes together. Open string 3 and string. Well, how do you do that, right? With your I and your M finger on your right hand like this. You pull both of them up at the same time. You could also do it like this, but your thumb's going to be busy playing string 6 in this song, so I would do it with I and M. You use these big knuckles and pull straight up into your palm like you're waving goodbye, all right? Use 2 fingers to do it like that. Okay, and then you got your natural, which cancels out the sharps. We'll go over this in lessons if you're having a hard time, but you know sharp, C sharp, C natural cancels out, you know, when you cancel out the sharp, okay, and the rest of the notes, you know. All right, have fun, practice hard. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.